Best 10 Indian Morning Ragas, a sunrise musical voyage through the ancient art of Hindustani classical music, where each raga is tuned to the hour, the light, and the soul. Dawn's Guardian, Subah ke 6 baje 9 am, the first prahar. The early morning prahar, the first watch of the day, is considered the most creatively potent time in Indian classical tradition. As the world stirs from silence, the ragas that inhabit this hour carry a rare emotional weight. Reverence, longing, and clarity all at once. Ragas are bound to specific hours. Performing them at the right time unlocks their deepest emotional resonance. Dawn's stillness and shifting light make the first prahar a powerful space for meditation, improvisation, and deep listening. When the sun kisses the horizon, the notes of Bhairo awaken the soul. This is the magic of Subah ke 6 baje, the liminal moment where music and nature meet, where the first raga of the day becomes a prayer in sound. Morning Raga Awakening, where ancient melody meets the first light, 10 ragas, 10 emotional landscapes, 1 luminous journey. The 5 pillars of early dawn. 5 masterful ragas define the first prahar, each carrying a distinct emotional signature and performed by India's greatest musicians. Ahir Bhairo, the gentle awakener. Subah ke 6 baje 9 am prahar 1. Scale: Sa, B flat, flat 3, C flat, B flat ga, D flat, ma, E flat, fa, F flat ni, a flat, Indian Solfi, Sargam, with Western equivalents in B flat, creating a soothing, introspective, blue hue mood perfectly suited for sunrise meditation. Signature phrase: Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Ga Re Sa, slow, lingering, like the first breath of morning. Bhairo, the majestic dawn. The Dhankal Rag Bhairo is the archetype of the morning, austere, reverent, and filled with a tension that resolves like sunrise itself. Its flat recreates a sunrise tension that blooms naturally into the pyoma. Sa Re flat Ga Ma Pa Di H A flat Ni Sa evokes reverence and inner vigor. Traditionally opens Hindu temple Prabhati chants at dawn. Mia Ki Tori, the soul-stirring dawn. Subah ke 6 baje 9 am, most revered morning rag structure or sound scale. Sa Re flat Ga flat Ma Pa Di H A flat Ni Sa, a cascade of microtonal bends that feel like the sigh of sunrise. The key phrase Sa Re flat Ga flat Ma Ga flat Re flat Sa is one of the most emotionally dense passages in all of Hindustani music. Mid-morning radiance. Subah ke 9 baje 12 pm, the second prahar. As the sun climbs higher, the ragas shift from deep contemplation to bright optimism. The second prahar brings a new palette, from the luminous Bilawal to the lilting Desi. Each raga paints a different way of growing daylight. These are the ragas of momentum, creativity, and joyful wakefulness, the musical companions to a productive morning. Hindol, midnight to morning bridge. Subah ke 9 baje 12 pm prahar 2 scale. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Di H A Ni Sa, all Shuddha, pure notes, with a characteristic Madhya Laga phrase that gives it a serene, ascending quality. Jogia, the contemplative wanderer. Subah ke 6 baje to Subah ke 9 baje. Also late morning introspection. Jogia was inspired by a wandering monk's sunrise walk on the banks of the Ganges. Its slow, spacious alap with a lingering Sa Re Sa motif mirrors the unhurried footsteps of someone walking toward light. Shuddha Sarang, the golden noon precursor. Subah ke 9 baje दोपहर के 12 baje late morning rag. Scale: Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Di H A Ni Sa, all Shuddha, radiating a bright, uplifting energy that glows like sunrise gold. Cultural link, frequently woven into Prabhati Bhajana sung for farmers at dawn, a raga of the land and the labor. Brindavani Sarang, the sweet morning breeze. A cousin of Shuddha Sarang, with a lilting, khatka, phrase that evokes a gentle breeze over the Yamuna. Subah ke 9 baje दोपहर के 12 baje, second prahar. The raga of calm, brightening daylight, Pa Ma Ga Re Sa, descending like a breath of cool morning air over water. Desi, the playful dawn. Subah ke 9 baje 12 pm folk classical blend. Born in the courts of Awadh, Desi was once performed to greet the royal sunrise ceremony, a raga of mischief, lightness, and joyful readiness. Scale: Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Di H A Ni Sa, with occasional flat Ni, bright, a little mischievous, full of forward energy. The Sunrise Symphony, 10 ragas. 10 emotional landscapes. One ancient truth: the right raga at the right hour aligns mind, body, and the world's rhythm. Your raga journey begins. Listen, explore, create, and Ramma.